What's up everybody, welcome to Fix It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video is about this A1 mini printer and we're going to go over how to lubricate the rails. So this is the Y axis and we're going to do that now. As you can see on the screen, it says it's time to lubricate the Y axis guide rails and the oil is in the accessory box, like so. So let's crack on and let's do that. So what we do, we just click done there. Then you go to control and the XYZ, you have the Z option here. We need to raise that. So that raises this here, so it doesn't get in the way. So what we're doing is just moving this Y all of the way back. So as you can see there, that's moved all of the way back. And now we get access to this here. And this is where we need to lubricate. So we get this, and we just snip the end off, just like so. Maybe it's a little bit more because it's still white. There we go. So that'll start to come out. Now what we need to do is attack this here. So all we're going to do is just get the lubrication gel. Just sort of go along here, like so. All the way up. And use the back of the gel. Just to sort of to move it up and down like that. And then as you can see, that's got it all nice and lubricated up. And then you need to do the same on the other side. First what I'll do is just move this over, like so. That moves it over, move it back, just to give it a bit of lubrication into it. And then we do the same with the back, because we weren't able to get in there. As you can see there at the back, and again just using the end of the lubrication bit just to spread that across evenly, just like so. So I can move that back now. And then again do the same with the other side. So lubrication down, just like that. Again using the back of it just to give a nice even spread. And move the bed forward and do the back. Just like so. And then when you are done, just get some kitchen roll or toilet roll just to clean off the top of it, just in case you sort of made a bit of a mess and it's gone on the top. So you can see there's a little bit on the top there. We'll just wipe straight down and that clears that off the top. And that is how you lubricate the Y axis on a Bambu A1 mini printer. Let me know in the comments if you've got any other questions or queries, but until next time, see ya.